How to log in Netflix on PC. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to log in or sign in into Netflix account. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to launch any web browser on your device. Click search bar at top of your screen and type in netflix.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Then you'll land on the official interface of Netflix, where you will see the sign in button at top right. Click sign in. Now the sign-in interface has appeared. You need to enter all your sign-in credential like your email or mobile number and the password. You can even use a sign-in code. In case you forget password, click on Forget Password link underneath Use a sign-in code button and recover your password. Once you have entered all your credential, you can easily save the credential tick marking the Remember Me section. And now click sign in button and you will easily sign in your Netflix account. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.